Okay, let us start with motion. Motion એટલે movement. Right? We know that all living things move. Okay, they can move straight line, they can move in circular fashion. Okay, they can move haphazard like this, or they can move around one axis. They can also vibrate like this. Okay, then there is a pendulum movement. We know that all living things move. બધી જીવિત વસ્તુઓ ને મૂવમેન્ટ તો હોવું જોઈએ તો જ આપણે એમ કહીએ કે it is there is motion, it is living. But એકવાર મને મનુએ પૂછ્યું કે સર આ ઝાડ ક્યાંથી ચાલે છે, અહીંયાથી અહીંયા ચાલે છે? ના, ઝાડ નથી ચાલતું. તો પછી એ થોડું લિવિંગ કહેવાય? વિજ્ઞાન, science has defined movement, motion in a slightly different way. આને ઇન્કોર્પોરેટ કરવા માટે આની અંદર જે રૂટ્સ છે એની અંદર પાણી મોલિક્યુલર ફોર્મમાં જાય છે પાંદડા સુધી. From the leaves it goes to various other places. So there is movement inside. Okay, if you see a leaf, there is movement of water and minerals and food inside the leaf. Even inside the small veins. Okay, so there is movement. Even if it doesn't move from one place to another place, there is a movement inside the tree. So we can consider all living things move. Okay, what is motion? Just pause this video and write down the definition. Motion of any object from one position to another position, from position A, or let us say position O, which is origin, to another position A, with respect to the observer, is called as motion. Motion of any from one position to another, when it moves, it is called motion. Why? With respect to the observer. Observer ne શું કામ? Suppose you are traveling by a train and you see in the window another train moving. Okay, the train is moving with you, and inside that window there is somebody, and you can see the person almost stationary. Okay, or if you are in the train compartment, okay, and you are also here and some other person is here, and you can talk to him easily. Okay, but this person is moving also, and this is also moving. Okay, both are moving because this train is moving. At one time it will be here, the other time it will be here. Okay, but with respect to this man, this person is stationary. That is why it is called with respect to the observer. We have also seen what is motion. Motion types kya kya होता है? Straight line, we know. અહીંયાથી આપણે સ્કૂલે જઈએ તો सीधा सीधा જઈએ, બરાબર? Circular. Circular માં બે type છે. One is revolving. Revolving એટલે the earth revolves around the sun. Revolving. The other is rotating. Rotating એટલે the earth ની axis છે એની આસપાસ earth ફર્યા કરે છે. આ axis ની આના સેન્ટર માં રાખીને આ ફર્યા કરે છે. ઓકે, and vibration. Vibration એ કોઈ બી વસ્તુ છે એ વાઇબ્રેટ થયા કરે છે અથવા આમ થયા કરે છે. ઓકે, so there is a vibration motion. The other is a pendulum motion. પેન્ડ્યુલમ મોશન એટલે શું? અહીંયા પેન્ડ્યુલમ હોય, ઘડિયાળનો જે ડંકો હોય છે એ અહીંયા જાય પછી અહીંયા જાય, પહેલા અહીંયા જાય પછી અહીંયા આવે, પછી અહીંયા જાય પછી અહીંયા આવે. That kind of a motion is called pendulum motion. So these are the types of. ચાલો એક આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ to understand motion. To understand two things, distance and displacement. Okay. Distance શું છે? Distance is the actual path taken. જેટલું ચાલે છે એટલું distance છે. એ આમ જાય, આમ જાય, આમ જાય, આમ જાય, આમ જાય, અહીંયા પહોંચે તો આ બધું ગણવાનું. Okay, let us say Nina travels from origin O. Okay, this is the origin to A. What is the distance travel is 35 meters. All these are meters. Okay, the distance she has traveled is 35 meters. Now she comes back to B. Okay, she is traveled to B. એટલે 5 મીટર ને બીજા 5 મીટર, બીજા 10 મીટર એ ચાલી છે. So what is the distance? The distance is 35 plus 10. 35 plus 10, 45 meters. The distance Nina has traveled in the second walking, the second region is 45 meters. From here to here 35 and from here to here another 10 meters. So 45 meters. But what is the displacement? This is a new word. Okay, actually you must have studied in 7th standard. Displacement. Displacement એટલે પહેલા જ્યાં હોય ત્યાં, પહેલા અહીંયા હતી નીના, ત્યારથી this is called the initial position. Initial position. Okay. અને હવે ક્યાં છે? હવે અહીંયા છે. This is called final position. Okay. ભલે અહીંયાથી અહીંયા ગઈ, અહીંયાથી અહીંયા આવી, but now she is here. So the distance, shortest distance between O and B is 25 meters. So the displacement from O to B is 25 meters. Now suppose she comes to C. Okay, she goes to A, then comes to B, then comes to C. હજી બીજા 10 મીટર એને ચાલ્યું છે. So the distance will be 45 plus 10, 45 plus 10, 55 meters. The distance Nina will travel is 55 meters. But displacement is what? પહેલા અહીંયા હતી, હવે અહીંયા છે. It is only 15 meters. The displacement will be 15 meters. Distance is 55 meters. So we know that displacement will always be less than distance or equal to. Okay, જ્યારે આપણે પહેલી વાર જોયું તો O થી A distance પણ same હતું અને displacement પણ same હતું. This is important, displacement and distance. Okay, કારણ કે એના પછી તમારે ઘણી બધી વસ્તુઓ આના ઉપર ડિપેન્ડ થશે. Okay, if you want you can pause this video and write this down. Let us take example 2. Meena takes a 2-minute travel, a circular path. She starts from here, from O. Takes a circular path of radius 14 meters. Okay, this is 14 meters. What is the displacement after 6 minutes? From here to here, one circle she finished in 2 minutes. 2 minutes ની અંદર એક સર્કલ પૂરું કરે છે, તો 6 મિનિટની અંદર 3 સર્કલ પૂરું કરે. એટલે એકવાર અહીંયાથી જશે, અહીંયા આવશે, અહીંયાથી જશે, અહીંયા આવશે, અહીંયાથી જશે, અહીંયા આવશે. તો પહેલા ક્યાં હતી? અહીંયા. અને 6 મિનિટ પછી અહીંયા. એટલે the displacement is equal to 0. Okay, but distance is not equal to 0. Distance શું થશે? Distance after 6 minutes, then that will be different because we have to calculate all this. 1, 2, 3 વખત રાઉન્ડ મારશે. એટલે 3 વખત રાઉન્ડ મારે. What is the formula for circumference? 2 into pi એટલે 22/7 into what is the radius? Radius is 14 meters. Just write down this formula. 2 pi r. It is the circumference of a circle. You can cut this to 2, 44 2s are 88, 3s are 88 into 3 is 4 and 2, 4 and 2 is 2. 200 and it will be, the answer will be the displacement, the distance traveled after 6 minutes will be 264 meters. Okay, because we are considering the 1 વખત, 2 વખત, 3 વખત. Okay, next let us see third one. What is the displacement after 3 minutes? 2 મિનિટમાં એક આખું સર્કલ મારે છે, સર્કલ. ઓકે, પછી 1 મિનિટની અંદર અહીંયા સુધી પહોંચી જાય છે, એટલે this is the displacement. O થી A, આ પણ 14 કારણ કે it is radius, I radius. So the displacement after 3 minutes will be 28 meters. It is the diameter of the circle. Example 3. Horse travels on a rectangular track. 5 meter અહીંયા આવે તો 5 meter અહીંયા આવે. Rectangle માં both opposite sides are equal and these are all right angles. That is a rectangle. We know that. From O to A, origin. This is from where it starts. Horse starts from here, goes to A, then goes to B. What is the distance horse has traveled? 5 meters plus 12 meters, 17 meters. Now displacement is the shortest distance from O to B. So what is the shortest distance? Is Pythagoras. Pythagoras ni andar OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. This you must know because you have studied Pythagoras many times. Okay, this is very, very important. Therefore, OB square is equal to OA square is 5 square plus 12 square, which is 25 plus 144, which is equal to 169. OB square is equal to 169, so OB is equal to root of 169, which is equal to 13. So this is equal to 13 meters. The displacement is 13 meters. You have to try this because you will get a lot of sums like this. Okay, you can pause this and write this down.